How to find the channel ID in 5 ways. So let's start the video. Open the Chrome browser and type youtube.com in the search bar. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and then click on YouTube Studio. Now click on Settings and then click on Channel. Here click on the Advanced Settings option and scroll down. After scrolling down, click on Manage YouTube Account. Now we have entered the YouTube account settings. Here click on View Advanced Settings. Here is the channel ID. Now we can copy it and share it easily. The easiest way to get here is open Chrome browser, type youtube.com followed by a /, then type account_advanced and press enter. After opening youtube.com, click on the profile icon in the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. As soon as you click on View Channel on YouTube, you will find your YouTube channel ID here. Now let me show you how to find any channel's YouTube channel ID. For example, I searched for Mr. Beast channel and opened it. Here I clicked on the About section and scrolled down. Then I clicked on Share Channel, and I got the option to copy the channel ID. This is how you can find the channel ID of any channel. Now open the channel whose channel ID you want to view. Once the channel is open, go to the URL bar at the top. There, copy the part after the @ symbol. This is the channel handle. Then open a new tab and type commentpicture.com and press enter. I will provide the link to this site in the description for you. Now click on YouTube and then click on YouTube channel ID. Scroll down a little. Here, paste the channel handle. You will see a captcha below. Fill it out. Once you complete the captcha, click on the button Get Channel ID below. This way, you can view the channel ID of any YouTube channel. I hope you have received complete information on how to find the channel ID. If there is any other issue, feel free to mention it in the comment box. I'll see you in the next video.